Hi everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today we will cook fried rice with cucumber, tomato, pineapple and salami. I break a knife into a bowl. Then I add half a teaspoon of seasoning powder and a little pepper powder. Mix them well. I pour the egg into the rice that I have cooked before. Mix them well lightly. I use the basmati rice to make this meal. Put this to stand aside. I put a teaspoon of seasoning powder into the different bowl. Half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of chili sauce, a teaspoon of oyster sauce, a teaspoon of soy sauce, and 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Mix them well until the sugar melts completely. And then I put in a teaspoon of sesame oil. I mix them again. I now chop an onion about 120 grams into the cubes of 1 centimeter. Then put them to stand aside. Next, I chop some curly parsley, and chives, and put them to stand aside too. I now put a saucepan on the hob. Turn to medium high heat. I put in a teaspoon of garlic oil. Pour the onions in and stir. chop 250 grams of salami into cubes of 1 centimeter. To put into the saucepan and stir them. I remove the core of half a cucumber, about 170 grams, then chop them into the cubes of 1 centimeter. To put this into the saucepan, and stir the mixture. I remove all seeds of 2 tomatoes. And chop them into the cubes. Put them into the saucepan and stir. I remove the core of half an pineapple. Then chop it into cubes. I dressed and stored this pineapple 4 days ago. You can see it is still fresh now. I have a video to show how to dress and store pineapple in my channel. Put them into the saucepan and stir. I now add a sauce into the vegetable and stir. If you like this video, please press like and subscribe. We will be very happy. Pour these mixtures onto the plate. Put the saucepan back on the hob. Put in a teaspoon of garlic oil and pour the mixtures of rice and egg into the saucepan. Stir them as they fry. And I now pour the mixtures of vegetable into the rice. And mix them well lightly for 3 minutes. I add the chives and curly parsley into the rice. Mix them. And now, I can pour them onto the plate and serve. Thank you for watching.